What is up, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today was a little bit of a better day for me. I made 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 break-even trade. The first trade coming up here, you'll see in a minute, actually in a second. So basically, I saw the price action as a range when it first opened, or overnight, I should say. And my first trade was basically, multiple tests, to be honest with you. You can clearly see there's a lot of resistance at the top of the range. And I figured to take a stab short. It is a little bit close to the EMA, but in range, I honestly don't really pay attention too much to the EMA. I pay attention more to the midline, and you can literally see the midline played a huge role in this range. And as you can clearly see that the trade was fairly fast, and I got my scalp pretty quickly. And ideally, I was looking to trade basically to the bottom of the range. But like I said, I've been having trouble trading this past couple weeks, so I'm just taking it easy with wont contracts. Nothing crazy. Just kind of trying to get my groove back to trading, back to where I was. Yeah, was really confident in this trade. Yeah, that was a scalp. And let's move on to the second trade. So the second trade was kind of a bad trade on my part, and what I was looking for, basically a break and new high, which I wasn't sure if the wider channel was in play, and so I didn't really trust it that much. And I did miss these 2 green arrows. Well, maybe not the second green arrow. I think second green arrow is a little bit aggressive, but that triple test, the wick basically across from the second arrow, definitely should have taken that one, because you can clearly see 2 legs down and then make new highs. But yeah, you'll see the second trade right here in a minute. Really bad trade, in my opinion. And I quickly realized that I'm trying to short the top, and there was no clear break of the smaller channel. And yeah, I quickly realized that I was trying to short the top, and I quickly got out, basically break even. And we'll see in a minute that we get triggered here. So we are in trade now, and you can clearly see that, the buyers are in control, especially with that triple test, where that green arrow is basically, or yeah, basically it's recent swing low. That tells us that the buyers are in control, and price should be probably moving even higher. And yeah, I realized that really fast, and especially when I saw this candle form, and I got out pretty much with a tick, break-even trade. So nothing crazy, and I'm glad I did got out, because this would have been a losing trade. So, but I'm glad I realized it, because from past experiences, past mistakes, I've been burned many times. So yeah. Mistakes corrected, and I'm gonna fast forward this, and let's move on to the third trade. So the last trade of the day was this second entry short. Now it is already triggered, and let me just explain my thought process here. I know it's counter trend trade, I get it, but you clearly see a break of the channel, the bigger channel, and basically 2 legs up. And we do have what do you call it? Not really an overshoot, because I don't really consider that to be the same channel. So. But what I saw was basically 2 legs up. We're too far from the EMA, and it's a bearish signal bar. I even got a nice little entry as well, so risk was only 1.25. And ideally on these trades, for the future reference, I want to target the EMA. But like I said, today I just want to take it easy, kind of get my groove back on. And I just want to scalp out, and honestly it doesn't really matter if I'm trading one contract or not. I just want to kind of get myself back into the to the game, right, so to speak. So But yeah, like I said, you have a break of the channel, 2 legs up. Yes, it is counter trend trade, I get it, but I felt like the context was there, and we'll get a quick scalp out of that, and you quickly will see that the price does come back to the EMA. It actually goes even lower than the EMA. So again, my opinion, I think the trade was legit. I think the context was there. Even though it was very aggressive, ideally you want to wait for a lower high or something like that. So, but like I said, I like the context. Break new high in place, 2 legs up, decent risk. I like the risk, and why not, right? So yeah, that was my day. I do want to say thank you guys for supporting me with using my code for the Apex. I really appreciate it. As you guys know, I'm trying to get a DSLR camera, and those are extremely expensive. Even the cheap ones are like $400. So a little bit helps, you know. Anything that you guys can do or whatever helps, you know. So really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And yeah, that was my trading day. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the live or post commentary. And tomorrow I probably won't be trading just because I have to work early in the morning. But I'll probably take a 3-day weekend, and I'll come back on Monday. So yeah, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.